Good morning, children. This is Library Period. Okay, so I'm here to tell you one story. Children, see on your screen, what is this? This is bird, and you all can see that this bird is black in color. Yes, shiny black. Do you know which bird is black in color and makes sound of cow, cow? Yes, you are right. Crow. This bird is crow. And see children, what is this? This is peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Okay. And peacock is in green blue color. Yes, green blue shiny color. And peacock loves dancing. Yes children. So today I'm going to tell you story about crow and peacock. Once upon a time, there was a crow who wishes to be a beautiful, colorful bird like other birds. He then decided to see his friend parrot. So dear crow went to the parrot and shared his feeling. What feeling, children? Feeling of looking beautiful. So crow said to his friend parrot that, dear friend, I want to look beautiful like other birds. I want to be beautiful like you. So what parrot has replied? Parrot said, is it absolutely okay that you want to look beautiful? But dear, I'll be not able to help you. I believe peacock can help you in a better way. Why? Because peacock is the most beautiful bird. Yes, and peacock know how to look beautiful. Peacock knows better that how to look beautiful. So my dear friend crow, please go and see peacock. Peacock is the right person to help you. After listening to the parrot, crow went to the peacock and shared his emotions. Crow said, dear friend peacock, please tell me the way in which I can look beautiful. I want everybody to appreciate or everyone to praise me for my beauty. Like everybody does for you. After listening crow, peacock smiled and said, dear friend crow, you are beautiful in your own way. You know, dear friend, you are the luckiest bird in this world. You are the luckiest bird in this world. And do you know why you are the luckiest bird? Because you have been never caged for your beauty. Nobody has caged you for your beauty. You are always free to move around and to enjoy your life, to eat whatever you want to eat. Nobody can cage you. But we are always in fear because of our beauty. We are scared that somebody will come and put us into the cage because they love our beauty and they want to enjoy our beauty. So what they do? They put us into the cage, which is really painful. We are not free as you. So dear friend, whatever you have got, please cherish that and enjoy that. Seriously, you are beautiful. And please enjoy your life. Don't try to copy anybody. Just be happy with the things that you have. And crow got this message. And now crow don't want to look beautiful like other birds. Now crow knows that he is beautiful and he is free to enjoy his life. So dear children, what lesson you get from the story? That we should never compare ourselves to others. We should be happy with what we have and what we are. We should be thankful to God for giving us beautiful life. Yes, and we should respect God's decision by not comparing ourselves to others. Yes, children. So, I believe you all have enjoyed this story. Thank you. Stay blessed.